oh. I wanna be your homie. I had to make a couple bands by my lonely.
What's up, guys?
So today we're doing the exploding watermelon challenge. So it's easy. Boys versus girls. Oh. Girls versus boys. We get a bunch of rubber bands, and as a team, we gotta try to put them over the watermelon. The first watermelon to explode, the first watermelon to explode is the winner. Always remember, everybody, safety first.
Kids, do not try this at home. If you do not have parental supervision, don't try this at home.
Go! Oh my god, come on! I'll put them all together.
Just put them on there.
What the?
Mom, come on.
You got 3?
Just pull it. Let me grab the watermelon. Let me grab the rubber bands.
Let me get the watermelon, rubber band, watermelon.
Theirs has an indent, though. I can see it.
Huh. So we ran out of rubber bands. Great.
We're gonna take the rubber bands off of this one and then put them on that one, because this one actually looks like it is indented.
No. If we get one, since they're stretched, can you double it?
Oh.
Let's see.
Nah.
Oh, come on, don't be scared. Oh! 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 Oh!
Keep going, it's not Is it exploded?
Is that double working?
It's about to.
Jax, come here.
Come on, let's put one more.
Oh, watch them die. Jaden, where's your glasses?
Talk about an explosion. Now that is an explosion. Holy crap.
Just look for the size. You didn't
Look at this.
Jax was eating it too.
Damn, look at all the way over here.
Pieces all the way over
Look at this.
Dang.
Look at that. It just straight up exploded. Oh my
Look
god.
at his shirt. Look at his.
Thanks for watching,
guys.
We hope you enjoyed this video.
If you like it, give it a thumbs up.
Let's try to hit 30 likes on this video.
Smash the 30 likes.
Let's try to hit 30 likes.
Oh
Dang it, don't work.
2,000 years later.
Let's try to smash 30 likes.
30 likes. Yo. Okay. Let's smash 30 likes.